Welcome back, students. Let us start the next point, that is features of oligopoly. What are the features of oligopoly? First, understand the meaning of oligopoly. The term oligopoly is derived from the Greek words oligo, which means few, and poly, which means sellers. It is that market where there are a few firms or few sellers in the market producing either a homogeneous product means same product, how it is in the perfect competition we discuss, product is same in quality, size, color, packaging, everything. So either homogeneous product or differentiated product, that means there is a little bit of difference in the product. For example, mobile service providers, cement companies, etc. Now let us understand the features of oligopoly. Number one, few firms or sellers. Under oligopoly market, there are few firms or few sellers. These few firms dominate the market and enjoy a considerable control over the price of a product. Second, interdependence. The seller has to be cautious with respect to any action taken by the competing firms. Since there are few sellers in the market, if any firm makes the change in the price, all other firms in the industry also try to follow the same to remain in the competition. So their entire policy is interdependent. One firm is taking one policy, the other has to follow, other has to change the policy. One firm is taking that the price should be less, then other firm also has to follow in the same way. So their decisions are interdependent. Next, advertising. Advertising is a powerful instrument in the hands of oligopolist. A firm under oligopoly can start an aggressive and attractive advertising campaign with the intention of capturing a large part of market. Students, you all are aware advertisement is very important today. So for aggressive and attractive advertising campaign, the oligopoly firm always see that they want to capture the large part of the market. Then entry barriers. The firm can easily exit from the industry whenever it wants, but it has to pay certain entry barriers such as government license, patents, etc. So entry is not that free. They cannot easily come into the market, or they cannot easily exit from the market. Now, lack of uniformity. There is a lack of uniformity among the firms in terms of size. Some firms may be small while other firms may be bigger. That means it is totally depend which product is there. Accordingly, the size of the firm is also different. And the last, uncertainty. There is a considerable element of uncertainty in its type of market because of different behavior patterns. Rivals may join hands or cooperate, or may try to fight each other. There can be rivalry. There is a rivalry under oligopoly market. So sometimes they can cooperate, or there can be fight also. There is total uncertainty in the oligopoly market. So these are the 6 characteristics or features of oligopoly market. The question can be, what is monopoly and what are the features, what is oligopoly and what are the features of oligopoly market. So you have to give all the 6 features of oligopoly. Thank you very much.